Now, here's how you can link detachable keyboard onto your iPad. So there are a few alternatives or options you might be facing right now. So it all depends on the iPad as well as on the keyboard that you have. For example, this iPad right here is the iPad Pro, which has a controller or like connector on the backside of the iPad, indicated by the three little dots right there. And this means that if I just want to connect it with a keyboard like this Magic keyboard from Apple, which also has the same connector, I don't really need to do anything. I just slap it on there and it's just gonna connect automatically. This is one way to just link a detachable keyboard onto your iPad, right? So as I say, it really depends on the actual accessories that you use. You might be, on the other hand, using a different keyboard, like a random one, perhaps from your computer or whatever else. And if it's not like just connected through the backside of the iPad or through any kind of connector, then it just works over Bluetooth, and that's where you need to properly set it up. So on the iPad, inside of the settings, head over to the Bluetooth section, and in there, try to look for the keyboard, which should pop up. If not, ensure that the third-party keyboard is properly charged and also turned on and ready to be paired, because most of the keyboards have some sort of switch somewhere on the back of it to just enable the process and make sure the Bluetooth is turned on and everything. So just pay attention to that, and once you do set it up, it should appear on the iPad where you just connect it and you can start using it. So as I say, it depends on what accessory you have specifically which you want to connect, but these are the main approaches. So let me know down below in the comments if you managed to get it somehow to work. If there are like more questions you might have, go ahead and leave them below. Hit the thumbs up on this video if it worked, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.